I begin to.
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
Hi guys, good evening from here. So we are back. I'm just going back from church. Close it. So we're just coming back from shopping. Before that, we went shopping. We went for summer shopping. You guys are back to hit us. So not that too much shopping, just small here and there. Yeah. So tired. I just dropped at my brother's place to go bed the newborn baby. Then I'm back here. Let me do the unboxing for you guys. Yeah. Hello. Can you see me? Hey. The first bag here. Okay, this is for my husband. This is belt.
Mommy, this is for your bag.
This is the trouser that I got from my friend.
I will not buy me that.
This is for my husband. Shirts. This is just 2 pieces up and down. Guys, can you see? This is the trouser, and this is the sweatshirt. Yeah. Whose one is this? Is for my husband, and this is my own. It's the same thing.
The same thing like
2
that.
pieces. This is for my husband. Trouser. Okay, this is for my first daughter. This is for my first daughter. For my second, it's the same thing. And those 2 shorts for the 2 of them. These 2 shorts. Yeah. Pack it. Another bag. Okay, for my little baby. Jeans trouser. My little baby too. I bought 2 for my second daughter and my little baby. 2 of them are the same. Take. Next thing is your own. For my first daughter. Don't wear. My little baby. Can you hear me? Oh, this should not allow me to do this video. For my little baby. This aside. The second bag. This is for my second daughter, Mommy,
to my dad?
Kosi Soshupu. And for Emanuela, my little baby. Yeah, both of them have the same thing.
But that is my own.
Okay, both of them have the same thing. I thought I got this thing too.
Yeah.
Here's the other one now. Yeah. Okay, yeah. This is two. For my second daughter and my last baby. Your size is not there. Your size is
Your
not there.
side is not here.
Okay.
Mama is my own.
Another thing.
So that is my own now. This.
You are disturbing me. My second daughter. First daughter. No. This is for Kosi. This is for Emanuela. This is your friend. My first daughter. She will wear it with this. She has to. So she's going to wear this gown. My first daughter. This gown with this trouser. And my second daughter has the same thing with her. She's going to pair it together with this. It's still the same thing. And this. I am Madam, take. What is it again? Okay, who has it? It's your own. Let me show them. My first daughter gown. Finish. And I got bra. No need of showing you guys. You know what is bra. Yeah. So finish. We are done unboxing. So thank you guys for watching. In case it's your first time, please don't make it your last. Do consider to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, comment, share if you can, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.